Which lenses should I review first? Oh my goodness. I really think I love this shade of green. I know you all have missed me. I cannot wait to show you these new colored contact lenses from our girl, Millzladivaeyelitshop. She reached out to me, sent me some more lenses to review. These are the Disturbia Green colored contact lenses. Here you are, and I hope you enjoy. What did you guys think? Did you guys love these lenses? Do you like these lenses? Do you not like them too much? Let me know in the comment section down below as usual. I have missed you guys so much really quickly. I did get sick with the virus that's been going around, so that's why I wasn't able to film, but I am super excited to be back and show you all the lenses that I got from Millzladiva. She's here on YouTube. She is a content creator and she makes colored contact lens reviews, and I absolutely love her lens reviews, and so she sent me these lenses to try on and review for you all. So I could not wait to show you the ones that I wanted to try and review first, which were the Disturbia Green out of all the ones that she sent me. I will be doing videos as well as YouTube shorts here on my channel, just so you all can see how the lenses look and tell me which ones you all love the most. Now these, when I saw the Disturbia Green ones, I said I'm gonna really love those lenses, so those are gonna be the ones that I try first, and of course, without a doubt, I love them. Now, which do you like the most? Now, do you like natural lighting the most? Do you like the artificial lighting, or do you like room lighting? I feel like with natural lighting, they look super natural, and they are very soft. They are very comfortable. I love how they look. They complement my eyes so well. My eyes are light brown, so I feel like they really do complement my eyes really well. They are very pretty bright shade of green. Not too opaque, which I like. It still allows your own eye color to naturally poke through, but they are very pretty. I absolutely love this shade of green. I love how it looks in natural lighting the most. With room lighting, it looks natural as well. Like, these could pass for lenses. No one's gonna tell that you're wearing colored contact lenses, I feel like, with these. And with artificial lighting, I feel like you can always see how the lenses look more. You can see the actual tones and colors of the lens. And I absolutely love how these lenses look. They feel very comfortable. Really quickly, here is my coupon code. I'm gonna put it up on the screen right here. Make sure you check out Millzladivaeyelitshop. I will also put on the screen right here how her shop looks. She has a lot of different colored contact lenses and a few different new collections as well as colors that she's come out with. for the summertime, and I absolutely love the lenses. I cannot wait to review them more for you. Let me know in the comment section down below which ones do you want to see me review next. I'm gonna put all the names on the screen right here. It'll be fun to see which ones you want to see me review next. I'll also be doing a poll here on my YouTube channel just so you all can see and vote and decide which ones you want me to review next. And that is it for this video. Definitely make sure to check out Millzladivaeyelitshop. I absolutely love her lenses. I love the ones I've tried and reviewed so far. So definitely check out this video right here so you can check out previous lenses that I have reviewed from her, and I will see you soon. Bye.
Run free.